Good morning, children. Children, in our last class, we have completed reading of Unit 2, My Amazing Body. Page number 164, 165. We did reading. Among that, on page number 164, we have learned about that our brain is better than the best computer. That I have given you answer. It helps us to. What our brains helps us to. We have completed in the test book. Today what we will do? The questions which are from these textbook. We will write, I will write it on the board today. We will complete this one in notebook today. So what we will do? We will write that question and answers of page number 164. Still we have not started the exercise. After this we will start writing. So let us start with question and answer. What is our first question? Our brain is better than a computer. So what will be the answer? I will write the question and answer. We will read and complete it in your notebook. So children, now open your notebook and get ready with me to write the question and answer from page 164. Okay, start. See children, I have rubbed the board and written two questions for you from page 164. What is the first question? Our brain is better than the best computer. So our brain is better than the best computer. How? It help, H-E-L-P, help, U-S-S-T-O-2, think, T-H-I-N-K, think. Our brain help us to think. Control, put comma here, control, C-O-N-T-R-O-L, control, our, O-U-R, our body, B-O-D-Y, body. It controls our body. After this, put full stop. It is protected. I-T, it, I-S is protected. P-R-O-T-E-C-T-E-D, protected. By the skull, B-Y, by, T-H-E, the skull, S-K-U-L-L, skull. It is protected by the skull. And understand, A-N-D, and, U-N-D-E-R, under, S-T-A-N-D, stand, our, O-U-R, our, environment, E-N-V-I-R-O-N-M-E-N-T, environment. So, what our brain do for us? It helps us to think, controls our body, and it is protected by the skull, and it understands our environment. What is our surrounding? We can understand how to live in the surrounding, how to live at home, how to behave at school. So these understanding, we understand our surrounding, that is our environment. Okay, now once again read, our brain is better than the best computer. The answer is, it helps us to think, control our body, it is protected by the skull, and understand our environment. Okay children, put full stop. Next, you have to write the next question. Now after this you have to write. Now read with me question 2. What do you think will happen if our stomachs get tired? Now see, overeating, I told you, if you do overeating, your stomach also get tired. So however, children, when you play a lot, when you go out for a picnic or a day, you get tired, your full body get tired, you are unable to get up, you are unable to eat also. Same thing, what will happen when your stomach gets tired? How your stomachs get tired? When you do overeating. Okay, what is the answer? See, if our stomach, I-F, if, O-U-R, our, stomach, S-T-O-M-A-C-H, stomach, gets, G-E-T-S, gets, tired, T-I-R-E-D, tired, put comma, it cannot, I-T, it CANNOT. It cannot digest. DIGEST. Digest the food. THE. FOOD. Food. We have. 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 Eaten. EATEN. When our stomachs get tired, when it cannot digest the food we have eaten, already what we have eaten, it is unable to digest. WEV. May. 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 Feel. 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 Weak. 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 So if our stomachs get tired, the food what we have eaten, it is unable for the stomach to digest. So that time we feel very weak. We fall sick also. FALL. Fall. Sick. 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 And be unable. Able. Unable means we cannot be able to get up and do our work. To do any work. 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 So what will happen when your stomachs get tired, children? If our stomachs get tired, it cannot digest the food what we have eaten. It will be unable to digest the food. So that time we may feel weak, we may fall sick and be unable to do any work. Once again read the question. What do you think will happen if our stomachs get tired? Answer. If our stomachs get tired, it cannot digest the food we have eaten. We may feel weak, fall sick and be unable to do the work. So children, these two questions, now pause the video, write it very neatly. I will give you the time, then I will rub the board and give two more questions. Okay, write it. See children, I have rubbed the board and written third and fourth question. Now look at the board and read both the question with me, then you can write it. Third one, find out, are there any other organs you have heard? Now children, have you heard the name of any other organs? Eyes, nose, ears, what you can see outside on your body parts, you know it. Now, are there any other organs which you have heard? Okay, some new things you have learned, that is heart, lungs, kidneys. So these are internal organs. So what is the answer? A human, HUMAN, human body, BODY, body has internal, INTERNAL, internal parts, PARTS, parts like liver, 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 kidneys, 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 intestine, 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 etc. So these are your internal organs. So what is the question? Find out, are there any other organs you have heard? Answer is, a human body has internal parts, that is inside our body. Which are they? They are like liver, kidneys, intestine, etc. So these are the other organs you have heard. You have heard it. Next, fourth one. Name 3 parts of your body of which you have a pair. A pair means in twos. So in that poem you have learned about a beetle and the assistant, that a beetle is having 6 legs. So how many pair of shoes that beetle needs? 3 pairs. The same way, pair means in 2. You wear shoes in a pair. You wear socks in a pair. You wear gloves, hand gloves in a pair. So in a pair means 2. So we have 2 eyes. Isn't it like that? We have 2 eyes? Yes. We have 2 ears also. 2 2 hands, 2 feet, 2 lungs, 2 ankles and 2 kidneys. So these are the few things I have written which are in pair. But if they ask you to write, name any 3 parts, you can write 2 eyes, 2 hands, 2 feet. Or you can write 2 lungs, 2 ankles, 2 kidneys. They are also in the pair. These eyes, hands, feet, you can see it. They are external organ. Lungs, kidneys, they are internal organ. So, any 3 pair you can write it. So, children, once again read. Name 3 parts of your body of which you have a pair. Answer is, we have 2 eyes, 2 hands. For all you have to put commas here. 2 feet, 2 lungs, 2 ankles and 2 kidneys. Note down your homework, children. Homework, you have to write it very neatly in your notebook and you have to by heart these question answers. Okay? Write one time and by heart it. And this coming Saturday, children, you are going to appear your first weekly test of EVS. Okay, for that reason you have to prepare unit 1. This is unit 2. This we will take next time. So prepare the full unit 1. Whatever work exercise I have completed, you have to prepare it for the test. Do your work and send children within time and study according to your portion which we will send to you. Okay children, have a nice time. Bye.